Hi, and welcome to An Oil a Day Essentials Wellness with Carmen. I'm here to show you how you can be ready for endless summer days and protect your skin. Well, soothe it after the summer sun. So I have a wonderful skin soother that's made with lavender, peppermint, and tea tree oil. This is really easy to make. I'm going to be using this really nice, it's a fine mist, but you can make it a continuous mist. It holds about 300 milliliters or about 1.25 cups of liquid. I recommend that you keep this in the fridge because it's going to be nice and cold and feel really good against that hot skin. Remember always to shake and then spray. So this is how easy it is. We have aloe vera juice, fractionated coconut oil, vitamin E oil. So what we're going to do is I'm going to use this cup, and to this I'm going to add 1 cup of aloe vera juice. 1 cup in there. And then this will go in the purple one, and I have a funnel. I'm going to add 1/4 cup of fractionated coconut oil, 1 teaspoon of vitamin E oil, and stir that around. And then I'm going to add 8 drops of lavender oil. So soothing and calming. 8 drops of peppermint, 7, 8, and 8 drops of tea tree oil, 7, 8. All right, I'm going to mix this all around. This is where it's going to go. So I'm going to get a funnel. Perfect. Now you can get these pumps through my doTERRA website. This is how it works. So I'm priming the pump. You can see the continuous mist and how good that's going to feel on those poor kids and adults who see a little too much sun. So thanks for watching. This is an after sun spray with lavender, tea tree, and peppermint. See you next time. Actually, skip that. And hold it tight.